welcome to another edition of Destination Bacon. And on this week's episode, we're making alligator wrapped bacon kebabs. Yes, that's right, I said alligator. Thanks to my friends John and Lisa Squalachi for catching the alligator and bringing it back to us. Stay tuned for this week's episode. So for our marinade, I've got a Ziploc bag and I'm gonna put my alligator meat right in the Ziploc bag. Alrighty, so I got that in there. And we're going to take about 3/4 cup of orange juice and 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of light brown sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, and a teaspoon of cumin. And mix it all up. You can also add a slice of fresh lemon or lime or oranges, and I may actually put some orange slices in here. But let this marinate for at least 2 hours before you put it on the grill. Okay, be back. Okay, so now we're gonna take our skewers, which we've had in water soaking so they don't catch on fire. And we're going to just skewer our gator meat through here. And then you're gonna wrap the bacon around your gator meat. So, take your bacon and then just wrap it around. You might need a couple pieces to cover it all. Get it on there nice and tight. And there you go. Just keep wrapping these guys till you are done and your grill is heating up. I think it's a good idea to brush some barbecue sauce on there. So we're just gonna put some on there and brush it on there. And that will give it a nice barbecue smoky flavor. I'm just gonna keep putting this on there. Now we've coated it with some Sweet Baby Ray's. You can use whatever barbecue sauce you like. So, got the grill heating up. Let's get these guys on there. Nice, slow cooked gator wrapped in bacon. Yum, yum. Okay, after about 3-4 minutes, kind of want to check it. Give it a little turn, maybe a 1/4 turn. Oh, yeah. That is looking good and smelling good. Alligator. You don't want to cook them too long because you don't want them to get the meat to get tough. I like my bacon a little crispier, so I cooked it a little longer. There you have it. bacon wrapped alligator skewers. Now for the taste test. Okay. Oh. So the marinade, you can really taste the, I marinated it in orange juice and the cumin, and you can really taste those flavors. They go so well together. The bacon, of course, is smoky and savory. The barbecue sauce kind of gives it a little sweetness to it. It's really good. It's tender. You do have to watch how you cook the alligator so it doesn't get too tough. Alligator tends to be a little chewy. It is a very, very lean meat. So just be careful how long you keep these guys out on the grill, but super delicious, guys, and very lean. Okay, thanks so much for watching. I appreciate it. Comment below. Be sure to like, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you next time.